Stockbridge is, according to me, I think very highly of him. I've always placed him as one of my best calls. Now, we are putting him in a race, and let's hope everything turns out in our favor. Well, we were all in a quandary as to when racing is starting and what is happening, and whether racing would start. And other centers had started racing, so I thought let's try and give him the experience of racing, as he had a very bad experience in Bombay. He dropped the rider, flipped over and fell before the starting gate in Bombay. So I just wanted to give him an experience, and let's let him get down to seeing what racing is all about. At this stage, we just got to see how horses race. Most people are coming out of a 6-month layoff with this pandemic affecting all of us. So it's difficult to say. A lot will go on fitness, and let's just see what happens at racing this weekend.
In the fourth race, the 7 furlong maiden race, basically we have 2 runners. We have Secret of Life and we have a filly called Teresita. Secret of Life ran at the end of the winter season. Her race was very disappointing for the work that she was doing during that time. I think she should run a better race this time, because that was a 6 and this is a 7. Akshay rides her. The other filly is Teresita. She was supposed to run the Governor's Cup, but she had sustained an injury and we had to withdraw her last minute. So she has the experience of a mark race, and tough to choose between them. But there are a couple of horses I think that have gone on a mock race on the first day. I think the mock race was impressive. So it's a tough race. It's a tight race. Zarwan rides Teresita.
At Defining Power, he's gone a nice easy mock race, but still it's probably the toughest race of the day, I feel. And you got classic potential horses like Teresita, The Secret of Life, and Stockbridge, and Defining Power. Not into classic mold, but still I feel he's up there. But it's going to be a very tough race, and I think my first pick would be Stockbridge.
The next ride of mine is Moonlight Sonata. She just went to mock race with Trevor last week. Unfortunately, Trevor is suspended for this week, so I got this ride. I've seen the mock race. She ran a decent mock race. After the mock race, she's come up. I cantered today. She's nice. She'll definitely be there. He'll run a good race.
They're off in the Dharma Prakash L.S. Venkaji Rao Memorial Trophy. Away to a level start on settling down at Stockbridge, showing out in the early part of the race, close to about half a length in front of the one who's moving nicely on the inside is Moonlight Sonata. On the outside we've got Sacrament flashing early speed. The one who's traveling about 4 wide of the fence is Teresita. Further back in the field in that white cap there is Southern Dynasty. Secret of Life comes in next. In behind that is A Star Is Born. Idosha is on the outside. For the length and a half to 2 behind is Rule of Law, being joined on the inside there by Super Kind, and for Old Times is the back marker as they continue the journey towards the 600. Moonlight Sonata, it is close to about a shade in front of Sacrament, nothing separating these two. For the length and a half behind, already nudged at the stage, there is Teresita. On the inside is the one on the inside there is Southern Dynasty. Stockbridge is the one that's making a quick forward move. On the outside is Idosha and Star Is Born. Racing in the final 300 meters, Stockbridge on the outside, the one on the inside is Teresita. Further 2.5 to 3 lengths behind is A Star Is Born. Racing in the final 100 meters, the Star Is Born on the outside is the one that's coming up with a good run. Stockbridge from A Star Is Born. Stockbridge is close to over a length in front of A Star Is Born. After that is Teresita, Southern Dynasty, Idosha.
He had a good reputation coming into the race, but he had a bit of a poor run in Bombay due to a mishap which happened behind the starting gates, but fortunately went well, so we are honored and privileged that he's put his head in front and won the race for us.